Good morning. Happy Thursday.
Good morning and happy Thursday.
Yeah, absolutely. Towards the end of December, is all your Christmas shopping done?
I'm almost done, I think. I always have those few things. And actually, I need to mail away some presents. Oh. And I'm just horrible. Like, I get all wrapped. I'm like, oh, and then it's just getting into the box and going to UPS or going to the post office, right?
Yes, exactly.
Or
exactly.
Like we all credit FedEx, UPS. You all are working really hard this
There's
season.
Even speedy delivery. I don't know what they do.
I think they're a contractor for, because I know sometimes we have like a UPS package or a USPS package that will get delivered by a speedy. Speedy. But all you delivery people are working really hard because we're all ordering more.
We are
online.
Yep.
So
yeah. So how was your night?
It was pretty good. It was pretty uneventful, you know, just homework and basketball and boys. And actually, we didn't have basketball. It was Wednesday night, but no church because it's kind of off for the season.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was pretty. You know, dinner.
Just a regular night.
It was a regular night.
No surprises.
No surprise. Oh. How was your night?
Well,
you know, like a really good story. Well,
well, it was fine. I mean, it was pretty dull. I mean, I hate it that it's dark at 5 o'clock.
I'm ready to go to bed at 8 o'clock.
I know. At 6:30, I'm like, oh my god, what time it is? Oh, it's only 6:30.
I know.
God, you're kidding me. I mean, it's 4 hours.
Night.
Yes. How much more solitaire on my iPad can I play, right?
Right.
So, but uneventful.
Yeah.
And I go to bed, and I always read before I go to bed. But sometimes the TV usually is on too. But I have a timer on it. You know,
on
my TV, sleep timer on my TV. But it was off, and all of a sudden I wake up, the TV's on. I look at my watch; it's 2:45 in the morning.
Your TV just came on?
My TV in my bedroom and my family room, both of them turned on at 2:45 in the morning. That was weird. Weird. I don't know. It freaked me out. You know, I'm there by myself.
Right.
I mean, I don't have the elf on the shelf. So I know he's not running around turning on my TV. I don't have a dog. You know, so I'm like, I don't know if somebody.
What did you do? Did you go out there? Like, did you turn on and then go out there with like a bat or something? And
I grabbed my cell phone because that'll protect me. I don't know.
Cell phone.
Yeah.
Turn my flashlight. I'm going to shine it in your eyes.
But it takes so long to find this stupid flashlight because you have to do this and you have to do that. You got to find. Yeah. But no, it's like, okay, this is really weird because they both came on at the same time. And see, my family room is right under my bedroom, so of course I heard them both. And I thought, well, I turned off mine in my bedroom. Like,
so that's even two different levels.
They're two different levels. Yeah, two stories.
Maybe have you watched The Scrooge lately or something?
No, I have not.
Maybe you were like in a, you know how they go past, present, you get to visit the different places.
Yeah, but no friendly ghost or anything visited me. I mean, it was just nothing there. I thought this is bizarre.
It's kind of cool and funky to come down and have like the ghost of Christmas like sitting on your right and be like, oh, you just turned on my TV. And
yeah, I don't know, but I turned off one of my bedroom and I could hear it. Yes, I'll let you know. I may have to call Ghostbusters or something. I don't know. But I turn on I turn on all the lights on my way down to the family room. Yeah. And this TV's just on. I turn it off and I go back to bed. And
it didn't turn on again, did it?
No, it didn't. It didn't. And I fell right back to sleep, so it didn't freak me out too much apparently. But I'm like, was it somebody's garage door remote?
Oh, it's somebody else's remote.
Remote.
Right.
But both of them on two different levels. That was just bizarre. And I do have a TV in the basement. If anybody's
messing with Kaylin, you need to
Stop it. Yeah. Not funny. I do have a TV in the basement, you know. But
and that one didn't turn on.
Well, I don't know. I was just going to go downstairs.
I'm not
down in the basement. Yeah. But I was down there this morning and it wasn't on. Right. So I'm like, that I don't know. That was just the weird. So if anybody knows why a TV would just turn on by itself, and two of them
at the same time.
Yeah. Weird.
Weird.
Very weird. Yeah. So, weird things happen.
Weird things happen.
Yeah.
Such as, do you ever get a statement in your mail and you're like, my mortgage payment is X amount.
Yep.
And then you open it up and you're like
yes, I did that.
Can you tell us all about me? Real life example.
Yeah, every November. Actually, it says September 27th, but I don't remember opening it that early. Well, I guess I got it in October, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, I always get the annual letter from the mortgage holder, and it gives me my escrow statement.
Yes.
You know, and a lot of people don't know what escrow means.
Yeah, and actually, escrow means a lot of different things.
Right, it does. Yes.
So in this particular case, we're talking about your escrow account for your taxes and insurance and potentially even flood insurance in your total mortgage payment.
Right. So I pay principal, interest, taxes and insurance every month is part of that. Yes. Well, my payment went down. I'm like, woo! Yeah, so I mean, my principal interest never changes. That's always the same.
Always the same. If you're on a fixed rate loan,
which I am,
your principal and interest, your interest and principal, we were just talking about this, that will vary, but your actual total payment will stay the same for the life of your loan.
Exactly.
If you're on a fixed rate.
So if you ever can get online, and you can get online to your little mortgage holder, and you can pull up the amortization schedule and whatnot. But yeah, your taxes and insurance will vary. Say for example, like when I'm very good about calling my insurance agent when I put something new in my house.
Oh, good for you.
Because you do get credits on your homeowner's insurance. So if you put on a new roof this year, be sure and let your insurance guy know.
Yes.
I mean, because I do have the age of my roof did affect my insurance policy. Actually got a credit for that.
Nice.
When I put in a new furnace, same thing.
An alarm system.
An alarm system. If you have a yard sprinkler system, sometimes that. And I know when you apply, and one of the questions is how close is a fire hydrant?
Oh, right.
Yeah. So
actually that does affect your insurance.
Yep. So so my insurance policy, I get some credits for those new major additions and improvements in my home. And then, my assessment changed.
All right.
But
we're analyzing her escrow accounts as we
because it changed $15.
Yeah.
So that's
for the better.
Yeah. So that's a couple more iced teas a month.
It is. She's an iced tea fanatic now.
I am.
But brewed, particularly. She's actually a little bit of an iced tea snob, baby.
I am, I don't drink wine, and I'm not a microbrewer, so I don't know anything about that. So the only thing I'd be snobbish about is my iced tea. Yeah, so.
But on that account, so if you get so most people, though, Kaylin is in this little special category of hers going down by $15 a month.
Yep.
But a lot of people, the assessments, because home values have actually increased, right? And so some people got that. So if you get your statement, like I said, if you're on a fixed rate note, what's changing in your payment is your amount you're putting in for taxes and insurance per month.
Exactly.
And so some of you, if you have new construction, that's even a whole different thing. But if you've had tax abatements and now your tax abatement is coming to an end, or some of them have variables and how they increase per year, but that's going to come due. And so if you're really low, what they're going to ask you is sometimes they'll say you can say you're short by $300 in your account. They will say you can either pay us $300 and then your payment will be this per month, so they have enough next year to make that payment. Or they're going to say you can even take that $300 and take it out through 6 months, and your payment for 6 months is going to be this much more, and then it will go down to this, so there's enough. So you have some options when you look at it, but that's typically why your payment might adjust up or down, is because of those taxes and insurance. And if you're in a flood zone, you will have flood insurance in there too, and so those can adjust.
Yeah. So anyway, that could be a nice little surprise. Your TV turning on in the middle of the night is not a nice surprise, but getting your little statement, and hopefully your payment won't change too much.
Yeah, I see Tina wrote a little note there, and I can't see what she said.
Okay, she says, "Oh well, good to know. Didn't know that." There we go. We put a new heater and air conditioner. So yeah, be sure and let them know, because you say, hey, Kaylin and Lisa said.
They said. And if they don't give you a credit, maybe you should look around.
Right, exactly. Shop around a little bit
for your insurance.
Because I do. Because I'll get I think about every year I'll get a little form from my homeowner's insurance company, and they'll ask those questions. Even if you have a fence, or they ask about my dog too.
Actually, did you know? So this is something I learned about insurance. That dogs can either cancel your policy for certain dogs that are in a certain class, or they will. So there's a certain at-risk dogs that are out there. And insurance policies are becoming a little bit more strict in that. And so if you tell them you have one of those, you might have to change insurance policies.
Yikes. But whole other subject.
Whole other subject.
Yes. You nice little lap dog.
Right.
But yes, if you haven't told your insurance agent that you put on a new roof, that you put in a new furnace, air conditioner, whatever, that I would definitely let them know, because if you can get any advantage of the credits, it makes a difference on your home.
Yeah, and so just know if you get that credit sometimes, it won't take, so if your
it won't take effect right away.
Your escrow analysis comes out then next year, unless you let them know and it's submitted and you kind of, you're very proactive with your escrow account. Otherwise, when they do your analysis next year, they'll go, oh, you've been paying too much, and so now we're going to take it down.
Exactly. So if you understood any of that.
Yes. That was kind of in depth.
It was. Exactly. But yeah, so if you have any questions about any of that, give us a call. We can try and explain it to you. And most times you can pull out that information online for your mortgage holder.
Yeah, if you're thinking, did I get an escrow analysis? You can usually go out and they'll have it online for you as well.
Absolutely.
But if you get one of those statements and you're trying to figure it out, just like, even though we know Caitlin is saving $15 a month, we're actually trying to figure out why. But if you have questions like that, we're more than happy to go through that and look at that with you. And if you have just questions in general.
We're here. We're here.
Yeah.
Yep. So if you have any ideas on how to prevent your TV from going on in the middle of the night, let us know that too. So
if you can help out with that, she would really appreciate it.
I would, because it kind of interrupts my sleep.
Yeah.
And it freaks me out.
It would freak me. I'd be getting
Yeah. So I'm thinking, who in my neighborhood gets up at 2:45 in the morning and,
somebody else who can't sleep.
Somebody else who can't sleep. They're turning on their TV and it's affecting mine. That is just weird. So anyway. Well, next week we have our little holiday show.
We have our holiday show.
So tune in next Thursday at 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
All right.
Join us.
Have a good weekend.
Have a great week.
Bye.